Welcome to the future of e-commerce. Today, we'll show you how to transform your Shopify store with immersive AR experiences using BitBute in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create a new BitBute store. Start by logging into your BitBute account. Click on Create New Project, select e-commerce, provide your website details, and upload your first 3D model. Step 2. Connect with your Shopify store. The wizard will help you with Shopify app installation and configuration so that it gets synced with your BitBute commerce project. Once the setup is successful, you should be able to see 3D models on your Shopify admin dashboard. Step 3. Link your products. Connect your Shopify products with their corresponding 3D models. This seamless integration is key for the next step. Customize the theme to show the View in AR button. Enable the AR e-commerce app embedded block in your theme. Congratulations! Our one-time integration is complete. Head over to the product page, which now shows the View in AR button. It allows the customers to see your products in 3D on desktop and in AR on mobile. Now, let's dive into our 3D configurator features that makes our platform unique. Choose placement. Choosing wall will allow the customer to place the model on the wall. Add variants show different product variants in AR, from colors to styles, all with a few clicks. Interactive points on your 3D models for more information or links. Help customers understand the size and scale of your products with real-time dimensions. With these tools, your Shopify store will not only attract more customers, but also provide an engaging and informative shopping experience. Platform also supports WooCommerce integration with our plugin. Shopify and BitBute, redefining online shopping with AR.